Well guys, guess what? My son's here, he's helping me out today. We're going to sand off the top the rest of this, just grind it down, and then we're going to paint it and get it ready for a floor. Stick around, let's get this thing done. This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Alright, I'm gonna grind this little area back here right quick. And then I'll let you grind. And do you need a different pair of pants? No. Okay, I'll let you grind. And what about shoes?
These are good.
Oh, those are steel toe.
Yep.
The boy is wearing steel toe shoes that look like dress shoes. Fancy Dan. Okay, so I'm gonna grind these off so that my metal can set flatter. I'm gonna grind this so that I can go ahead and connect. Dang, my bald head!
Need a cap.
Got sparks flying up, it's landing on my head. Okay, if you haven't noticed already, yes, I cut my hair. I was about sick of it tickling my ears and feeling like I had bugs crawling around. So, but I do need a hat because I had sparks flying up and hit me in the head. We're gonna get busy. Pretty much just going to be the top edge because I've already repainted pretty much everything else.
Put all of it.
Yeah.
Going all the way around the hitch and stuff too, or just the frame?
For today, let's just do the frame. I did the underneath of the hitch and everything already. And like when you get to the other side, this was the side that was on the ground, so I wasn't able to grind and paint it. The other side's already been done. For the most. Oh no, that's right. I couldn't reach it either. So. Yeah.
Gnarly.
What'd you do?
Caught it against the edge.
Your finger that close.
Go up.
Keep your guards on. Don't do like my son. Touch the grinder. Good stinking not. I said on that. My body said, go, wrong way, wrong way. Nice.
That's a gnarly little chunk too. What? Disappointment in your eye.
Some of you are thinking I should weld this. I don't care. It could actually hold itself. It's such a small area. I don't need anything really, but I do want just a little bit. Yeah. I'm using is a pan head self-tapping screw. None of those little sissy ones that you use on lightweight steel either. This is left over from when I was doing commercial grade steel. Heavy. Take a lot of weight. Put two-story buildings, three-story buildings, stick for stick together with these. So I'm not too worried about these breaking. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and shut down for a minute, and we're going to finish up, do a little bit of more grinding, and then we're going to paint it. I don't figure y'all want to watch us paint it, so we'll be right back. Alright guys, as you can tell, me and my son continued on. Got the, whatever you call those. What do you call those, son? The wheel well. Good, stinking nice. Got the wheel wells put back together, got all the staples out of them. If you watch any of the other videos, the one where I took them off, there's, I don't know, like 65 staples in one of them. Got all those pulled out, got them straightened out, and I think they'll work. Had to put one back together, but that's all good. So, now for the last time, we'll catch you tomorrow when we put the floor on. Later.